We hope that in this strategy session, you will look maybe at the next generation of an EMS fighter. Do we use robots now? Do you use how can we use artificial intelligence to really, combat fire? When I arrived here in this department, we had a public consultation with the EMS, I think with the EMS. So there were issues that were raised by the employees. Like one of them was the issue of saying that they've been in positions for a very long time and they have not been promoted. So maybe this strategy will be to say, how do you develop a developmental plan? How do you ensure that your workforce is encouraged? Because if you have an unhappy workforce, you're not going to be very efficient. So there were a lot of complaints on the HR issues. You need to critically analyze them. Are you doing? How far are you in terms of sorting out those issues? And what are we going to do about it? And also they said to me that there are the old guard who have been here for a very long time. They've got a lot of experience, but now there was a point where qualifications were introduced and many people were left outside in terms of the promotion. What are we going to do about that? What can be done about it? So you need to look at all those issues and ensure that everything is fine. There was a problem of the uniforms, that people have spent a long 2 years, 3 years with no uniform. What is happening? Is the uniform now being distributed to the people? Is everything fine? There was the issue of the cleanliness and the maintenance of the stations, lack of generators, all those things.
Yeah, my name is Robert Mulauzi, the spokesperson of the City of Johannesburg Emergency Management Services. We are here as City of Joburg EMS on a strategic session as we review our prevention is the future strategy, which we have taken as an organization to say, how do we empower firstly our residents with the necessary skills on how to deal with emergencies, make sure that there's more compliance in our buildings in the inner city. The bylaws are followed, especially the bylaws which are related to the fire services. So we need to make sure that all our residents are utilizing the community centers, which are the BSAFE centers, which are there to empower them with the necessary skills, be it fire emergencies, be it water-related emergencies, wherever they are. So we're inviting our communities to go out there, visit all these centers which are situated in your community from region A to G. Most of these centers are based in our fire stations where it's easy for our residents to visit this kind of area. So this is the strategy we're taking for the future. We call it prevention is the future. Thank you very much.